Hey, what's going on, wealth builders? Not long ago, I decided to create a series on this channel that was going to focus on crypto to watch. And what I was going to do was actually research different crypto coins, look at the circulating supply, look at the past performances, look at the market capitalization. But the coin that I'm featured in this video was actually brought to my attention by an executive team member of Point Finance, as well as a subscriber, 𝗕𝗜𝗧𝗢𝗡. And in this video, I'm going to be looking at the GALA token, GALA, and it is the token for GALA Games. And I could tell you, man, when 𝗕𝗓𝗓 first told me about it, I was excited because I know 𝗕𝗓𝗓 does a lot of research. But once I saw the returns, I was even more excited. Hey, welcome to Point Finance, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about saving. We talk about investing. We talk about investing on a budget and everything personal finance. If that's something you're interested in, do me a favor. Subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends. Share it with people you know. Share it on your social media platforms. You never know who could be looking for information like this. Also, make sure you check out my various links down in the description below for COINBASE, BLOCKFI, and the Vodger crypto apps. And with all that being said, let's get paid, baby. All right, before we get started, let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I would highly recommend you do your own research for adding, selling, or holding any crypto or stock. Now that we got that out of the way, let's just jump down here and see what this GALA token is doing. I'm going to share my screen with everyone right now. And as we can see, GALA is currently trading at 72 cents per token. It's down 1.97% today, which it was actually down a lot more earlier, and I wish I would have had the opportunity to buy then. But here we are now, so I can't worry about earlier. And what I want to do right now, before I even get deep into the stats, is I want to go ahead and explain what this GALA cryptocurrency is. GALA is an Ethereum token that powers GALA Games, a platform for blockchain gaming. GALA is used as the medium of exchange between GALA Games participants. For example, it can be used to pay for in-game items. And I can tell you, ever since Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of what used to be Facebook, now he's changed the name to Meta Platforms, which is supporting the metaverse. The metaverse coins, which the GALA coin is a metaverse coin, they're actually blowing up. And I'm going to do a separate video on that. But let me just jump down here and see what's going on with this coin. Currently, the market capitalization, which is the number of circulating supply, how many GALA tokens are out there in supply, 7 billion GALA tokens in supply, and you take that and do it by the 72 cents per token, and it gives you a market capitalization of $4.9 billion. Now, looking at the trading activity, there has been 61% buy and 39% sell. And it's the 28th most popular coin on COINBASE. I am using, you can see right here, I am using COINBASE. And the typical hold time is only 2 days, which really doesn't make sense to me. And you're going to see, because when I go over the 1 week returns, the 1 month returns, and the 1 year return, I really don't understand why people are only holding this 2 days unless maybe they're not educated or don't really know about this token. Maybe they were just getting their feet wet. So with all that being said, I am going to go back up here. And now it's down 1.52% today, but for the last week, it's up 164.94%. But people are only holding it 2 days. I mean, to me, it just doesn't make sense. Now, when I go to the 1 month, it's up 653.88% in the last month. I mean, come on, man, that is astronomical. And I can tell you right now, I am going to be purchasing. I already have some GALA in my crypto portfolio, but I'm going to purchase some more right in the middle of this video. So make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to be doing that next. And the 1 year return is up. This is astronomical. 275,462.50%. Let me say that again. 275,400. I'm sorry, now it's 617.92%. Look at this, man. Look, roughly around September, it was 11 cents. Then it dipped down to 8 cents. Then it kind of traded sideways, and then it just exploded. And even it was up to, get up here, 84 cents yesterday at 6 o'clock. And I wanted to buy yesterday. I wanted to shoot this video yesterday, but I had to do a live stream on my other channel, Points Blank Travel. So I held off because I didn't want to rush the video. I mean, this is bananas, man. I just really see good things with this coin. Again, this is GALA, G-A-L-A. And what I'm going to do right now is hop over to Coinbase Pro, where I actually do my trading because it's a little cheaper there than it is on Coinbase. Once I make my trade, then I'll go over and transfer from Coinbase Pro over to Coinbase. So as you can see, I have $125 worth of US dollars. I have 26 GALA tokens in my Coinbase Pro portfolio right now. What I'm going to do today is already set to buy. I don't have to worry. Don't worry about all this. This is just people trading right now. And I'm going to make this pretty simple. I'm going to come down to the amount. And I want to buy $25 worth of GALA. And let me make sure that I'm on market and not limit. That's going to give me, it's going to be a fee of 13 cents. I love it. If I was on Coinbase, this would probably be a $1.49 fee. I'm going to get 34.486. I'm not going to read all the numbers. GALA tokens added to my portfolio. So I'm going to go ahead and place the buy order. The crypto market is always open. It's not like the stock market where it closes at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is always open 24/7. It's like 7-Eleven. There it is, success. So now I have 60 GALA tokens. What it is, that little point was the fee. So 60 tokens currently in my Coinbase Pro account. So what I'm going to do right now is get out of this and go ahead and get me back over here. Switch something else there. And there you have it, man. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. It's that easy. But I can tell you right now, again, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. I'm just telling you what Rod's doing. And I can tell you, GALA, I'm going to add GALA to my portfolio each and every month until I see, if I see a significant pullback, it could be a buying opportunity. Or if I see a significant increase, it may be a hold opportunity. But either way, this crypto is in my wallet. It's in my crypto wallet on Coinbase Pro, going to be transferred over to Coinbase. And I want to just do me a favor. What do you think about GALA? Do you know about it? Have you heard about it? This is the first time you heard about it. I'd love to hear about it. Please post it down in the comments below. Again, make sure you do me a favor. Check out my links down in the description for the various different crypto trading platforms. You have BLOCKFI. You have Coinbase. You have Voyager. The links are all down there. As I said earlier, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up. Share the channel with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. And as always, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I'll be coming at you soon, dropping more knowledge, dropping more crypto to watch. And until the next time, peace, baby.